Hi, this is Travis Hettenbach with LED Source. Do you know how to make a comparison table between LED versus fluorescent? Well, the reason you might want to do that is because there's a lot of options of bulbs out there, and you want to make sure you make the right decision when you're purchasing these items for your home or business or whatever. So here's what you do. You get a simple spreadsheet and you lay out the different types of bulbs that you want to compare. Create columns for the different fields or the different points of the bulb that you want to compare as well. Maybe that's wattage, lumen output, and life. Those are all three important things that you want to look at because you need to understand how bright that bulb is, how much electricity it's going to consume, and how long it's going to last. Lay all those three things out, take a look at them. All the details are on the box of the bulb. Now the one caution I'm going to throw at you is just understand, just because it's printed on the box doesn't necessarily always make it true. Stick to your high quality brands and you'll be fine. Everything on there should be good, and those manufacturers stand behind their products. That's how you make a comparison table between LED and fluorescent or any other kind of bulb. I'm Travis Hettenbach with LED Source. Thanks.